Before you start the engine, before a learner driver even begins moving a vehicle, there are several important safety checks and preparations that should always take place first. Many beginners are eager to start driving immediately, but experienced drivers understand that good preparation is one of the foundations of safe driving. Simple things such as adjusting the seat correctly, checking mirrors, fastening the seat belt, and understanding the controls can make a huge difference to comfort, confidence, and safety. This chapter explains the essential checks every driver should make before starting the engine. Getting comfortable in the driver's seat. One of the first things a learner should do is adjust the driving position correctly. A poor seating position can reduce control, increase tiredness, make steering more difficult, and affect visibility. The driver should sit comfortably while still being able to reach all pedals easily, hold the steering wheel comfortably, see clearly through the windscreen, and check mirrors properly. Adjusting the seat. The seat should be adjusted so the driver can fully press the clutch pedal without stretching, will operate pedals smoothly, and maintain relaxed control of the steering wheel. Sitting too close can feel cramped. Sitting too far away can reduce control. The aim is a comfortable driving position where movements feel natural and relaxed. Driving tip A, relaxed driver usually has smoother control than a tense driver. Comfort and posture matter more than many beginners realize. Steering wheel position. The steering wheel should allow the driver to hold the wheel comfortably, see the dashboard clearly, and steer without stretching. A good position helps reduce fatigue during longer journeys and improves control during maneuvers. Most instructors recommend holding the wheel with both hands in a balanced position. Smooth steering is always safer than sudden movements. Head restraint safety. Many beginners overlook the importance of the head restraint. The head restraint is designed to help protect the neck during collisions. It should normally be adjusted so the top of the restraint is level with the top of the head and positioned close behind the head. Adjusting mirrors properly. Good mirror adjustment is extremely important. Drivers should be able to clearly see behind the vehicle, traffic approaching from the sides, and surrounding road conditions. Poorly adjusted mirrors create blind spots and reduce awareness. Mirrors should normally be adjusted before moving the car. Understanding blind spots. Blind spots are areas around the vehicle that mirrors cannot fully show. Cyclists, pedestrians, motorbikes, and vehicles can sometimes remain hidden in these areas. This is why drivers must use mirrors properly and physically check blind spots when necessary. Many accidents happen because drivers rely entirely on mirrors alone. Mirrors do not show everything. Always check blind spots carefully before moving or changing direction. Fastening seatbelts. Seatbelts save lives. Drivers and passengers should always wear seatbelts before moving the vehicle. A correctly worn seatbelt should sit comfortably across the chest, fit low across the hips, and not feel twisted. Correct seatbelt position. Purpose: simple safety awareness. Understanding dashboard warning lights. Modern cars contain dashboard warning lights that provide important information about the vehicle. Some lights indicate fuel levels, headlights, indicators, engine warnings, brake warnings, and battery problems. Beginners do not need to memorize every symbol immediately, but learning the basics is very helpful. Introduces basic vehicle awareness. Checking around the vehicle. Before moving off, drivers should also become aware of what is happening around the car. This includes checking for pedestrians, children, cyclists, animals, and approaching vehicles. Experienced drivers constantly develop awareness of their surroundings before moving. Driving tip: many driving problems can be avoided simply by taking a few extra seconds to observe carefully before moving off. Starting the engine calmly. Many beginners feel nervous when first starting the engine. This is completely normal. At first, learners may feel overwhelmed trying to remember pedals, mirrors, gears, steering, and observation all at once. Over time, these actions gradually become more natural through repetition and experience. The key is remaining calm and learning steadily. Common beginner mistakes: some beginners rush preparation checks, forget mirrors, sit too close to the wheel, grip the wheel too tightly, or panic after stalling. These are all normal parts of learning. Mistakes should be treated as learning experiences, not failures. Try to relax, because tension often causes jerky steering and panic reactions. Relaxed drivers usually maintain smoother control. Always use two hands. Never try and steer with one hand. Building good habits early. The habits formed during the early stages of learning often stay with drivers for many years. This is why careful preparation, observation, calmness, and good posture are worth developing from the very beginning. Safe driving starts before the car even begins moving. Chapter Summary. Good preparation improves safety and confidence. Correct seating position improves control. Mirrors and blind spot checks are essential. Dashboard warning lights provide important information. Relaxed drivers usually steer more smoothly. Safe driving begins before moving the vehicle. Confidence builder. Every experienced driver once had to learn where the controls were, how to adjust mirrors, how to use pedals, and how to move off safely. At first, it may feel unfamiliar. With practice, these actions gradually become automatic and much easier. Coming up next, part 5, understanding your car's pedal controls.